Good morning. Here you can see this is the topic, area of a polygon. This problem belongs to the class of 9 and 10, not higher secondary, that is 11 or 12. Okay, very basic problem I have taken. You know the calculation of area of a triangle, calculation of the area of a rectangle, calculation of the area of a square, formulae are available. Okay. So for polygon, what is done to calculate the area? This is a polygon. Okay. Here, not necessary that, since it is only polygon, then the side lengths AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GA. How many side lengths are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides are there. Okay, this is arbitrarily I have taken this one. So to calculate the area of a given polygon, what you need to do, you have to divide this polygon into triangles. Okay, and summation of the areas of the triangles will give you the area of the polygon. That is the way actually followed to calculate the area of a polygon. So take any point will be your choice. Okay, take any point inside the polygon. Say I am taking this one, arbitrarily chosen a point inside the polygon, and now through this point you join all the corner points. Okay, just this point and this point, this point and this point, this point, then this, then this, then this, and then this. So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you calculate just areas of all the triangles. Okay, say this point is denoted by O. So the area of the polygon is equal to area of the triangle OAB plus area of the triangle OBC, like that. Okay, so we can write this way: area of the polygon is equal to triangle OAB plus triangle OBC. Okay, this is triangle sign, plus dot dot dot, all the 7 triangles. You have to sum up areas of all the 7 triangles. That way you will get the area of the polygon. But if the polygon is a regular one, means if all the side lengths are same, in that case you can make one formula to calculate the area of the polygon. Now suppose, just concentrate on this sketch. Suppose this is a regular one. If this is a regular one, that means all the side lengths A, B, B, C, C, D, D, etc. all are same. And this point is not an arbitrarily chosen point. This point is the centroid of the polygon. So if this point O be the centroid of the polygon, then in that case you know that the triangles OAB, triangle OBC, triangle OCD, etc. all 7 triangles are there in this case. Okay, all the triangles formed will be similar. Okay. In which case? In case of only regular polygons. Okay. So all the triangles will be same. So you just calculate area of a triangle and just multiply the number of triangles with the area of one triangle. Then you will get the area of the polygon. Right. So now I am showing you the procedure. Suppose this length AB, this is equal to x. Can you see? Suppose this is equal to x. Okay, the length AB is equal to x, and this is the centroid of the polygon, and all the triangles are similar. Therefore, say there are n number of triangles, n, small n number of triangles are there, small n. Okay, can you see? Let me check whether red color is visible or not. Yeah, it is not clearly visible. Okay. Anyway, So if there are a number of triangles and this is how much this angle surrounding the point O, this is 360 degree or 2 pi. Then what is the angle for only one triangle? What is the angle? That is equal to 360 degree by n or 2 pi by n. So this angle is equal to how much? 2 pi by n. This angle is 2 pi by n. And you know that this angle and this angle must be same. Okay. I need not to explain this one. This angle and this angle must be same. And this angle is known, it is 2 pi by n. This side length x is known. This side length is known, which is denoted by x here. Okay, this is x. Black color is easily visible and this is n. Okay, n. So now this angle is 2 pi by n. These angles can be calculated easily. Now can you calculate the area of the triangle? Yes, you can calculate area of the triangle. You just draw a vertical from this point O on the line AB. Okay, you just draw one vertical. So suppose I am drawing this vertical. Actually this point should be the midpoint of AB, but my drawing is not good. That's why you are getting this point nearer to point B. Actually this point should be the midpoint of AB. Okay, because these are isosceles triangles. So after drawing this, then what is this angle? This half angle of this? That is half of 2 pi by n, that is pi by n, right? So this angle is here, how much? This angle is pi by n. This angle is pi by n, right? Pi by n is this angle. I am drawing the larger view here. Okay. Right. So this angle is how much? This angle is pi by n. And triangle is O. Suppose this midpoint is denoted by G is there. So suppose this is H. Okay. So this point is H and this point is B. Right. And this angle is how much? This is pi by n. And this HB, this length, this is the H is the midpoint of AB. That means it is x by 2. So HB is equal to x by 2. Right. Then what is the area of this triangle? It is equal to half into base into height. So what is OH? So OH for this triangle we can write OH divided by HB. Okay, OH by HB. So with respect to this triangle, this is base and this is height. Okay, so base by height, that is cot. Okay, so OH by HB is equal to cot pi by n. Right, cot pi by n. OH by HB. Therefore, OH was the requirement. Therefore, OH is how much? OH, this is equal to HB into cot pi by n. Right, and HB is how much? HB is x by 2. So this is x by 2 cot pi by n. Right, x by 2 cot pi by n. Then what is the area of this triangle? That is equal to half into base into height. So half into OH into HB. So this is equal to half into OH is this much, x by 2 cot pi by n. Okay, and HB is how much? This is x by 2. HB is again x by 2. So x by 2, x square by 4, this half is there. So this is x square by 8. Right? Cot pi by n. Cot pi by n. This is pi by n. Okay. So area of this triangle. Then area of triangle OAB is how much? Just you multiply this result by 2. So if you multiply this result by 2, you will get x square by 4. So area of the triangle OAB, I am writing here, area of the triangle OAB, this is equal to x square by 4 cot pi by n. Then what is the area of the polygon? Regular polygon we are talking about. Okay, we are considering a regular polygon. Then what is the area of the polygon? Just multiply this result by n, because n number of triangles are there. Okay, therefore area of the polygon will be this multiplied by n. So answer is n x square by 4 cot pi by n. n x square by 4 cot pi by n. Okay, this result can be verified by using n is equal to 3. Okay, if you take, I need to erase some part of this. Okay, I need to erase some part, otherwise it's not possible to proceed any further. Okay, so if you take any, sorry, what is the problem with these pens? If you take n is equal to 3, then it becomes a triangle, a regular triangle. Okay, a triangle having all the side lengths same. So in that case, if you take n is equal to 3, then what is the result? Then area becomes 3x square by 4 cot pi by n is 3. Right? N is 3. So pi is 180 degree by 3, that is 60 degree. Cot 60. Tan 60 is how much? Root 3. So cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. So this becomes 3x square by 4 into 1 by root 3. So this becomes root 3 by 4 into x square. I think this formula is known to you. Area of a triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into square of the side length. Okay. Square of the side length. This is area of the triangle. So this formula has been verified for a triangle and for a square also. Square that can also be considered as a regular polygon having side lengths, number of side lengths to be 4. So in case of square, n is equal to how much? N is equal to 4. Same problem I am facing with all these marker pens. Okay. N is equal to 4 for squares. So for squares, area will be how much? This is equal to the same formula we are going to use. N is equal to 4 into x square is there divided by 4 and cot pi by 4 will be there. N will be replaced by 4. Pi by 4, 180 degree by 4, that is 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is how much? That is equal to 1. And this 4 and 4 are cancelled. So this is equal to x square. You know that area of a square is equal to square of the side length. So this formula has been verified for square also. Okay. Similarly, you can apply this formula for all the regular polygons where n is the number of side lengths. Okay. Number of sides or number of side lengths is equal to n. Okay. Pi is how much? That is 180 degree. That is known to you. 180 degree. So this formula can be used for all the regular polygons. And if the polygon is not a regular one, then in that case you have to divide the polygon in number of triangles, and for all the triangles you have to calculate areas separately, and then you have to sum up the areas of all the triangles to get the total area of the polygon. Okay. Okay. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.